Welcome to another 3-Minute Thursday. By the end of this video, you'll know everything about finding and identifying the Peregrine Falcon. We'll cover range, field marks, similar species, and more. Get ready because I'm starting right now. Peregrine Falcon is a large, powerful raptor that is generally a darkish gray color on their back, and then they've got some black and white barring on the underside. Also have this really distinctive black helmet that kind of covers their head, and then some yellow on their beak. As far as range goes, a pretty widespread bird, actually one of the most widespread birds in the world. They're found on, I believe, every continent except Antarctica. In the U.S., mostly a migratory species for the eastern half. Along the coast, they're found there in the winter. And then in the west, they're year-round. And then in this little area right here, they are only found there during the summer or breeding season. Typically found, at least in the west, they're found in mountainous areas because they nest on cliff edges. In the east, you can find them at mudflats or wetlands where they hunt for shorebirds. Also, in certain big cities, you can find them because they like to nest on tall buildings. It's actually pretty similar to their usual habitat, which is cliff edges. So now let's go over some commonly confused species. There's a couple other falcons that can be easily confused for the peregrine falcon, so I'll break down how to tell them apart. On the left here, we've got the prairie falcon, and on the right, we've got the peregrine falcon. As you can see, one of the best ways to separate them is if you look underneath their wing. In this area right here of the prairie falcon, it's going to be dark black, while it is a clean gray and white barring here on the peregrine falcon. Also, prairie falcons have this mustache stripe right here, which is a little bit cleaner and thinner compared to the peregrine falcon. Next one is the merlin, and the merlin is a lot smaller than the peregrine falcon, so it should be pretty easy to tell, but if they're really, really far away, it could be a little tricky. The best way to separate them is by flight. So because peregrine falcons are bigger birds, they're going to be flapping stronger and slower. The merlin is a smaller bird, so it's going to be flapping more often. Flight pattern is definitely the best way to go. Also, you could take a look at their head. Peregrine falcon has this black helmet, and it's a little bit more of a bluish gray on the merlin. Next one is the gyrfalcon, and gyrfalcons are larger than peregrine falcons. They are also rarer than peregrine falcons. This is definitely not going to be a bird that you see every single day. And also they are found in more like the northern parts of North America. Occasionally they come down south in the winter. If rabbit populations are not super high up north, they'll migrate south to find more food. To separate from the peregrine falcon, just look at the head. Gyrfalcons do not have any black up there compared to the black helmet of the peregrine falcon. Gyrfalcons are also larger than peregrine falcons. Gyrfalcons are also pretty rare, so if you've seen one before, go and let me know in the comment section below. I'm curious to know if anyone has. And check out this playlist right here for all of the 3-Minute Thursdays. It's 3 minutes, one bird, every Thursday. I'll see you soon.